Hello to everyone. How are you today? This is Joanna. Today I am going to try my Green Mountain iced coffee. I have tried this before, but I'm going to do something a little bit different today. This is the vanilla caramel brew over ice Green Mountain for iced coffee Keurig version. And normally how I did use it before was like it said, I did brew. I had a container of ice because it recommends, I think, that you don't use glass. Let me see here. I had put it in a container of ice in one of my Starbucks tumblers. And I did it that way, and I just put a little cream in it. But today I went ahead, I used the iced button, which gave me about 3/4 of a cup. I didn't put it over ice, but I did go ahead and use the iced button because on my Keurig, I think that iced button is actually supposed to make the coffee stronger. It makes it in its strongest form so that the flavor of the coffee can hold up to the ice. And so instead of doing that, I just ran it on the iced, and that's the amount that it gave me, and then I put it in the refrigerator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make me a version of an iced chocolate vanilla coffee. I just took some chocolate syrup and put it in a glass. I put a little bit of my vanilla bean syrup in there, and I'm using my vanilla bean syrup. And I'm also going to be using my Chobani vanilla oat milk, and I do have a little bit of the syrup in there, so I don't know if you want to see any of this, but here's a little bit of information on this milk. So we're going to see how this turns out. So when I'm using the cold froth, I hold it down a few seconds, it turns blue. When it's doing the hot, it is red. And you can see it going in there. And again, this is the coffee that I am using. They have this in hazelnut as well. And you can just brew it over ice. I have an iced coffee maker, which y'all know I never pulled out of the box because I ended up having the ice button on this Keurig. The chocolate sauce that I am using is the Ghirardelli. This is my first time using this. I actually go through the white chocolate and I go through the caramel ones, the fastest, and the salted caramel because I use them all the time. I am going to try the Torani pumpkin sauce because I'm going to be doing a Torani syrup order in the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to try the Torani Pure Made lavender syrup, and I'm waiting on a package today from Bath and Body Works. I also have an electric lighter to share with you that was sent to me for me to share with you all, so that'll be interesting. But we're going to see how this goes. So my milk has finished frothing, and we're going to try this out. I'm going to go ahead and add the milk first. I have not added any of my cane sugar to this mixture yet. I want to try it straight out. Plus that chocolate is going to make it kind of a bitter taste anyway. So we're going to go ahead and just add the milk that I have frothed. And I'm just going to stir that up just a little bit. So we're going to be stirring some of that chocolate and some of that vanilla bean syrup in there. We're going to go ahead and pour this in. I'm not going to garnish this with any of my whipped cream or anything just yet. We're just going to try this straight out because actually this is the second one of these that I have actually tried from the box because like I said, I made the first one straight out with just the ice, the coffee, and some creamer. That's actually pretty good, guys, just like it is. This chocolate has just enough bitter sweetness to it that this is like an iced vanilla bean chocolatey concoction, and I really do like it. I was trying to, as you could tell, get that syrup to swirl, but it's thicker. I also got marker on my hand, so forgive that. But yeah, it's thicker, but this is really good. So I plan on trying to enjoy a lot more iced coffees while we still got time, because pretty soon it's going to be time for hot ones. And everybody's talking about these pumpkin spice lattes, which I can make my own now. But like I said, it is fantastic to have your own coffee concoctions. This right now is a perfect blend of the sweet and the bitter because of the chocolate. because of the vanilla and the vanilla bean syrup. And just like I said, I didn't put any added sweetener in here, just the sweetness from my vanilla bean syrup and the vanilla Chobani milk. So that is it, guys. I will see you later today with my $4.95 Bath and Body Works haul. A couple of things that came in, and then we will do the electric lighter separate tonight. So until the next time, everyone, have a great day.